In this video, I want to talk about how you can jump to date inside of TradingView. So I'll quickly show you two methods that you can do this. And first of all, we want to open up a chart. Once you're inside of a chart, the easiest way is probably just come down here and click on the Go To button and then select the date that you want to go to and the time of the day. After you've done that, just press Go To and it's going to go to that one. Now, another thing you can do is you can look at the time down here. So if you want to check, you can, let's just choose this. If you choose like 1 day instead, you'll see here, I can see all of the dates and I'll be able to see that this is 9/19, this is 21, 27, and you can do it like that. But clicking here and choosing the correct date is probably the easiest. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.